volleyball team. We would like to thank everyone for all the support. And we know that we didn't bring back or defend the crown, but I guess everything happens for a reason. And we're really thankful na kahit ganun yung nangyari, andito pa rin tayong lahat. I think this is my last time to go up in this stage as a student athlete. And next time, I'm gonna be there watching all the athletes, all the talented athletes, cheer for them and appreciate everyone. So, next year magkakasama na po tayo sa kabilang side na ako. Hindi na ako andito. So, maraming salamat sa Ateneo, sa lahat ng binigay nila sa akin, lalo na sa award na to. And I just want to thank my team and my coaches and to all the supporters of my team, our team, and to all the kina Sir Ricky, Sir Tony, Sir M, sina Father Jed, Sir Vergara, Dr. Vergara, and to everyone na naniwala po sa amin. Maraming salamat. Lalo na kayo, maraming salamat po sa oras at sa sakripisyo na binigay nyo para mapanood lang kami. Maraming salamat po. Thank you!